olunaku olwaleero ku kitebe ky'ekisinde ekya PLU wali eri enaggulu obaddeyo okuba nga balayiza Secretary General waabwe omupya,
which goes hand in hand with the flag of Uganda, and finally the mighty flag of PLU, and also a report dealing what has been happening in this. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
ate nga abadde omukadde Honorable Daudi Kabanda, member wa Parliament ow'e Kasambya, abadde leero awaayo obuyinza okuva ku ye, obuyinza bwe yafuna mu mwaka gwa 2024 mu mwezi ogwali ogwokuna, ate nga akwasa oluvannyuma lw'okutambuza almost emyaka 2 okuba nti nno aweereza ekisinde ekyo, ate nga ekisinde ekyo kyatandikanga movement oba kyatandikanga General MK movement mu mwaka gwa 2022 era omwezi gwali gwakuna, ate ne kivaawo ne bakitransforminga okubanga CDF mu 2024 yali oba chairman w'ekisinde ekyo General Muhoozi Kainerugaba baali bamuwadde, ate yali afunye ekitiibwa ekijja ekyokubanga CDF w'eggwanga, so n'asalawo okuba nti nno awummula emirimu egya bulijjo, n'asalawo ate adde mu ofiisi oba obuvunaanyizibwa obwali bumuweerebbwa pulezidenti w'eggwanga lino General Museveni. So nti oluvannyuma lw'okuba nti nno Honorable Daudi Kabanda akwasaganyizza emirimu gye bulungi, n'asalawo nti ne batuukiriza eŋŋombo y'okuba nti nno obuyinza buva ku muntu budda ku mulala, okusalawo nti nno olunaku olwaleero nga ennaku z'omwezi 24 omwezi ogw'omukaaga 2026 ku kitebe kyabwe wanene Naggulu asobodde okuba nti nno awaayo obuyinza nga bumuvaako nga bugenda ku Honorable Twaha Fahad okuba nti nno ate nga omusajja ye chairman mobilizer ow'essaidi eyo mu Sebei sub-region. So olunaku olwaleero nti nno basiimye, n'asalawo okuba nti nno akwata obuyinza. Chairman w'ekisinde ekyo General Muhoozi Kainerugaba yazaalibwa omwezi ogwali ogwokuna mu mwaka gwa 1974, ate nga yazaalibwa General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni wamu ne Janet Kataha Museveni okuba nti nno beeveddenzi, azze tumulaba nga alinnya mu bitiibwa eby'enjawulo paka we baatuuka mu 2022 n'atandika okuba nti n'atandika ekisinde ekya MK movement. Abasinga mwakiraba nnyo ng'ate era mwewuunya nti yiye aba atya nga omusirikale w'eggwanga ate atandise okuba nti n'alingiza mu mbeera ey'ebyobufuzi, era nti akadde we kaatuuka ne baba nga bamuzza ebiseera bwe baali bamuwummuzza nga talizina CDF. President Museveni we yalaba nga kirabika kimutabuseeko, n'addamu n'amuyita ate addamu aweereza eggwanga mu mbeera ey'okuba nti n'aweereza mu magye, n'amutikkula n'amusimba ekitiibwa eky'obwa CDF okuba nti nno yakulira amagye gonna mu ggwanga Uganda. So oluvannyuma lw'okufuna ekitiibwa ekyo ne batransforminga ekibadde nga movement eya MK ne bamufuula ng'amaze ofuuka CDF, ne basalawo ne bafuna Secretary General David Kabanda okuba nti nno atwala emirimu egyo ate gibeere nga gigenda mu maaso. Tumulabye mu mirimu mingi nnyo, abasinga mulabye nga atwitinga ng'agamba nti sipiika tugenda funa sipiika omupya. Oluvannyuma lwa sipiika yabadde akwasaganya Parliament ey'e11 Right Honorable Anita Anet Among, ng'ate tulaba nga bamuvuganya. General MK we yavaayo n'agamba nti oyo sipiika abadde muliwanguzi nnyo, tulaba nga obuvunaanyizibwa abukwasa abadde Secretary General Daudi Kabanda okuba nti n'atuukiriza mission y'okufuna sipiika omupya.
Endorsement of the Right Honorable Anita Anet Among and Right Honorable Thomas Taiwa as candidates for Speaker and Deputy Speaker respectively for the 12th Parliament of Uganda via the letter dated 11th March 2026 is retracted and withdrawn with immediate effect.
Era nga sipiika tuba tuli awo nga tufunye sipiika omujja oba sipiika aliko akwasaganya Parliament y'e12 Right Honorable Jacob Oboth, ate nga ava side zeyo mutololo abadde minisita mu Parliament y'e11, abadde minisita akwasaganya amagye ne state oba Minister of Defence, so oluvannyuma lw'okuba nti nno abamulabye ng'aweereza bulungi nga teyeenyigidde mu mirimu gyonna egiyinza okuba nga girya oba gikwata mu nsimbi y'omuwi w'omusolo, kwe kusalawo ne bamutikkula ne bamusimba ate eddimu eddene olyokuba nti nno abeera sipiika wa paalamenti 12. Ate nno munnaaye yali Yusuf Kinti naye yennyini yatugamba yali takisuubira naye yalabira awo nga bakama be osanga basiimye te ne tubeera ne sipiika. So ne leero olunaku olwaleero avuddeyo n'atugamba kubanga yabadde omugenyi omukulu olw'okuba nno balayiza sekuritale omupya, yabadde omugenyi omukulu ate n'atugamba nti nno ate yaweereza General MK naye ng'ate General MK mu lanka oba mu airake aba wa kifo 28 ate sipiika aba wa kifo kumpi kyakusatu. So kyewuunyisa eggwanga naye lwaki tulowooza nti nno General MK yatandika ekisinde kino.
Thank you very much. The chairman, Patriotic League of Uganda, General Mukuwayo Kainerugaba, represented by our able national vice chairman, Michael Wajira Toyota, our chief guest, Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, Jacob Maxon Obosobos, the PLU Central Committee, ministers, colleagues, members of Parliament, patriotic officers, PLU founding members, the representatives of the diaspora community, religious leaders, distinguished leaders, the business community, media, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fadil, Member of Parliament for Tingei County in Kapchorwa District, a new General Secretary for Patriotic League of Uganda. And I am Patriotic Officer number 12. I'm deeply humbled and honored to stand before you today as I assume the office of General Secretary of Patriotic League of Uganda. Allow me to thank God for granting me this opportunity to serve the great organization and our nation. I extend my sincere appreciations to our chairman, General Mukuwayo Kainerugaba, the Chief of Defense Forces and Special Presidential Advisor on Special Operations, for the confidence and trust he has put in me. Your vision of patriotic, disciplined, united, service-oriented Uganda continue to inspire millions of Uganda, especially the youth. To the great people of Sebe, especially my constituents, Tingei County, I thank you so much for the opportunity you gave me as your Member of Parliament. It is through that office that I have been able to be visible and caught the eye of my chairman. I will forever remain indebted to you. To recognize and appreciate my predecessor, Right Honorable David Kabanda, and all those who have worked tirelessly to build the Patriotic League of Uganda into the vibrant national movement it is today. We inherit a strong foundation, and our responsibility is to strengthen it further. You see, when my brother Honorable Saliza was talking, PLU started as small movement groups. We had one headed by, we had team chairman headed by Nwajira Toyota. We had MK movement, MK Army headed by my brother Balam, who recruited me, together with the Honorable Odria, my brother Gashumba, and then Michael Mawanda, and many others. We also have other groups, Avengers, by Michael Katunji. We had also another one for Revolutionary Guards and Zaire and very many others. Fellow patriots, the Patriotic League of Uganda was founded on the principle of patriotism, nationalism, discipline, and service to our country. Today, Uganda stands a critical stage in its critical stage in its development journey, and while we have made tremendous progress in infrastructure, peace, security, education, healthcare, and economic transformation, our people still demands more efficient service delivery, greater accountability, and stronger fight against corruption. As General Secretary, I pledge that my tenure will focus on the following. Number one, completion of structures and reviving grassroots mobilization. The foremost priority of the Office of General Secretary shall be verification, completion, and operationalization of PLU leadership structures across the entire country, right from village upwards to national level. This process shall be accompanied by intensive grassroots mobilization, citizens' engagement, recruitment drives aimed at deepening the League's presence within the community and strengthening its connection with the ordinary Ugandans through regular interactions with citizens, local leaders, youth, women, and other stakeholders groups. The Secretariat shall promote the ideal and objectives of Patriotic League of Uganda, build a vibrant and active membership base, and ensure that the organization remains firmly rooted among the people it seeks to serve. Number two, to ensure a corruption-free Uganda. Corruption remains the greatest threat to Uganda's development. Every shilling stolen from government is a school not built, a hospital not equipped, a road not completed, and a job opportunity denied to our young people. PLU will stand firmly on the side of integrity and accountability. We shall support all the efforts aimed at eliminating corruption in our government institutions, local government, and public agencies. We shall encourage citizens to speak out against corruption and demand value for money in every public project. Patriotism is not merely loving Uganda with words. It is protecting Uganda's resources with action. Number three, ensuring effective service delivery. Government programs must be felt by ordinary citizens. The success of any government is measured not by policies on paper, but by service delivered to the people. PLU leaders, members across the country will actively monitor government programs to ensure that our health centers function effectively, schools serve our children properly, roads are maintained, agricultural programs reach farmers, and public funds achieve their intended purpose. We shall be the bridge between the government and the people, ensuring that citizen concerns are heard and addressed effectively. Youth empowerment. Number four, youth empowerment and national development. Uganda is blessed with young and energetic population. The future of our country lies in how well we prepare and empower our youth today. PLU will continue to champion skill development, entrepreneurship, innovation, technology, and job creation opportunities. We shall encourage young people to participate actively in nation building and reject destructive influences that undermines progress. A patriotic youth is the Ugandan greatest strategic asset. Number 5, unity, discipline, and national cohesion. Uganda's greatest strength is its unity, regardless of tribe, religion, region, or political affiliation. We are all Ugandans. PLU shall continue promoting national unity and social cohesion. We shall foster a culture of discipline, mutual respect, and responsible leadership. Personal interests must never be placed above the interest of our country. As our chairman has demonstrated through his leadership, discipline remains a foundation upon which successful institutions and nations are built. I will not water down his efforts. PLU will be the best example of unity. My fellow patriots, the task ahead is challenging, but the opportunity before us is even greater. Together, we can build a Uganda where public resources are protected, services are delivered effectively, opportunities are accessible to all, and every citizen feels the benefit of development. I commit myself to working closely with our chairman, the Central Committee, our leaders across the country, and patriotic Ugandans to advance this mission. Let us review all the commitment to building the great organization. Let us support all government programs. Let us be vigilant against corruption. Let us demand accountability. Let us champion service delivery. Let us unite around a common purpose of building a strong and more prosperous Uganda. The future of Uganda is bright, and together we shall make it even brighter. Long live the Patriotic League of Uganda. Long live President Museveni. Long live General Moses Kainerugaba. Long live Uganda, for God and my country. Thank you.
Abamu bagamba nti nayinza okuba nga yeegwanyiza entebe enkulu ey'eggwanga Uganda ng'osanga atayagala kuba nti nno yatukwatamu oluvannyuma lwa kitaawe General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ng'amaze okuwummula. Simanyi oba anaaba awummudde bulungi oba anaaba Katonda nga mutuggyeko, so nti yeepositioninze okuba nti nno akwata eggwanga. Okutandika ekisinde kya PLU okusinziira ku boogezi ababadde ku mukolo gw'olunaku olwaleero.
Honorable Ministers, Members of Parliament, Central Committee of NRM, Central Committee PLU, our PLU coordinators, mobilizers, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I will start by introducing Central Committee members of PLU present. PLU, the leader is General MK as our chairman, PLU. I'm the vice chairman, Rwajira Michael Toyota. Our new general secretary, Honorable Fadil Twara. Our director legal, Edwin Karujire. I will request the members of Central Committee present, when I read your name, you step forward. Thank you. Andrew Mwenda is not present. Michael Mawanda Maranga, our Director Mobilization. Outgoing Secretary, Kabanda David, who is not present also. Honorable Frank Atumwebaze, Honorable Chirio Wachiwanuka, he represents Central. Mr. Hussein Kashirinj, member of Central Committee. Mr. Aran Kasuja, member. Honorable Barambar Gahala, who represents Vice Chairman Western. Kwame Riondo, who represents the NRA Historicals. Right Honorable Speaker, even if you maintain your seat, is also our member. Right Honorable Obos is also a member of Central Committee. And the Right Honorable Deputy Speaker Thomas Tayebwa is also a special envoy, is also a member of SEC. Honorable Minister Sanjay Tana, I think that's the Central Committee for peer review. Don't worry, we are coming there. Don't worry. We have identified that one. So I want to congratulate the newly appointed members of Central Committee of PLU. And I want to thank General MK for the good work, the good leadership and vision for our nation. Once again, for appointing new strong members to Central Committee. I think we are getting stronger, and as PRU, I want to thank General MK again for identifying our General Secretary, Fadil. I want to thank the committee members of Central Committee and those of you that have joined, that we are ready to work together. And we believe that we've got good cadres right now, the newly appointed members of Central Committee. As PRU, let's clap for the new appointees. You can take your seats. PRU coordinators and mobilizers present, I want to thank you for the work that you have done for PRU. We are here because of you. Without you mobilizers and coordinators, PRU wouldn't be strong. And I want to thank NRM, the Central Committee, for always cooperating with PRU. You have given us an opportunity to work with you. PRU is not a political party, but we support NRM activities. So I want to thank you for the cooperation and for the unity. Thank you so much, and we shall always work together, and you're most welcome, and thank you for attending our function. I know some double in NRM and PRU. We are one, tuko pamoja. So thank you so much for the cooperation. And I want to thank General MK for the new scheme of economic intervention. And I want to request General MK that we should focus on the specific cadres of PRU first. Yes. But I believe this is the beginning. We shall get there. We shall support our members. For you, we want you to support PRU and the NRM government. The rest will be done. Yes. Honorable Fadil, for being a good leader, you are not identified by mistake, but your commitment to serve PRU and serve NRM government. And I want to assure that we are going to work together. We shall perform and even try to achieve what we have failed to achieve in the last 4 years, because we have been lacking maybe togetherness. But this time around, I promise that we are going to work as a team. With the new members, I believe PRU is going to be stronger and stronger. Yes. We have very many coordinators around. Coordinators of the sub-regions, because everybody is a coordinator, but let's talk about sub-region and maybe district level, one person. Those who are here, you can stand up. We have senior, like Honorable Minister Acheng, Honorable Basarirwa, who is also our member of PRU. And all those, the Muchidis that we started with, I thank you so much. There are very many people, if I start mentioning names, it will be a problem. But I want to appreciate you and assure you that we shall continue, make PRU stronger. I want to thank members of Parliament for their commitment, for the love of PRU, for the love of General MK. Thank you so much. Sorry, my religious leaders, I did not recognize you. I'm so sorry. I recognize you and I appreciate your work. Thank you so much. I don't have much to say, but to appreciate all members of PRU for supporting General MK and for supporting the cause. And I believe that this new office is going to perform miracles this time around. We've got good cadres. We have got committed people. I think we are going to see PRU in another level. Our new General Secretary, I want to assure you that I will always be there for you. I will guide you and I will work with you. Feel comfortable. You've been in PRU, but now you've got a big office, but we just need unity. Let the office be open for everybody. I will always be here. Our new chapter is to make sure that this office is active. And it will be open for everybody. For guidance, for the support, whatever we can. It's your office, please access it. And let's work together. Mobilizers, those who are demobilized and maybe they were disappointed, please forgive us. You know, it's a new organization. There are a lot of mistakes, but we promise that we're going to improve. Finally, I want to thank the working committee that organized this function. Please step forward, because I've not been around, but you have done a tremendous work. Thank you so much. Please step forward. These people have not put any single coin. They put from their pockets, these members of Parliament. We had a budget of almost 50 million, but from their pockets, they said, Chairman, we don't want to disturb you. We are going to facilitate. Thank you so much for your pockets, for the effort, for the guidance. And I think we have achieved what we intended to do as PRU, and we had a very good organization. Thank you so much. We wouldn't have made it this colorful if it wasn't your effort. I appreciate your work and the good arrangements that you did. Thank you so much. I want to thank our outgoing General Secretary because it has not been easy. He has done part, and I want to recognize him and thank him for his commitment. You have seen him on radios. Even if there were mistakes, everybody can make a mistake. Where you think maybe he made a mistake, please forgive him. It's a new organization. There are a lot of challenges. But I want to thank him once again for the commitment, because he has been to this office, I think, more than any of us. So I want to thank him for his time. Members of Parliament, please go on and mobilize for PRU. We are not here just to receive the General Secretary, but we are here to plan our future. So please, members of Parliament, continue the work, and we shall always be there with you. We shall support where necessary. my work is to do mobilization, and I know how to do it. So I want to commit myself that I will work with you. I will be there for you as we promote PLU. I want to thank President Museveni. We are here because he has given us an opportunity to perform our, or to show our experience in mobilization. Maybe we did not have opportunity to do mobilization in NRM, but through PLU, we have managed to perform our talent. I want to thank him for giving us that chance. I want to thank General for believing in us as Central Committee of PLU that we can work where he's not available, but we continue to push PLU ahead. Thank you so much, members. I want to thank Right Honorable Speaker for your time. We invited you on a short notice, but you managed to come. And thank you for being our own. Thank you so much. New members of Central Committee, we shall have our first general meeting soon. Please spare some time when you're called to come and attend, and we plan for the next step.
Ogw'okulaiza Secretary General bagamba nti bakitandika okuba nti nno nga basikaasika eggwanga yonna Uganda libeeko awamu we lituuka, ensonga kisi kibiina kya byabufuzi wabula kisinde. Naye otunuulira nga IRACs essatu ezisooka naddala nga bagoberera ennamba zaabwe eza PO oba Patriotic Officers, otunuulira nga agikulira namba 001 ye General MK ng'ate era ye chairman w'ekisinde ekyo ekya PLU, ate namba 002 ate nga ye Andrew Mwenda, ate namba 003 ye vice oba ye abasinga bamumanyi nga Toyota, naye aviira ddala First Family. So tutunuulira nga tuyinza obutafunawo njawulo okusinziira ku gavumenti oba gye tugamba egenda ekulembera General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni eya NRM, kubanga abasinga bonna eggwanga lyonna lyemulugunya nti First Family yeri ku mwanjo. Ate tulaba nga n'abakulembedde ekisinde okusinziira ku numbers. Ennamba ekisinde kya General MK oba ekisinde kya PLU kyatandikibwa n'abantu 12 era nga ze nnamba ezasookebwako ddala nga zifuluma, ng'era oba Secretary General aliko ssaawa ya kaakati gwe balonze yabadde ye yali namba 012. So kitegeeza nti nno oluvannyuma lw'okuba nti notunuulira enkyukakyuka zonna, abasinga bali ku nnamba esooka paka ku nnamba 12 be boolabira ddala nga baali nnyo ku mwanjo ne General MK mu biseera nga akyali mu kisinde kya MK movement. So ebintu bingi ebigenze mu maaso. Leero omukolo olwaleero abadde omugenyi omukulu yabadde Right Honorable Speaker Jacob Oboth yabadde omugenyi omukulu omugenyi omukulu ow'olunaku olwaleero mu mukolo gwaffe ogwo. Ate ne tutunuulira tulabye omwami Frank Gashumba avuddeyo n'atendereza obukulembeze obw'ekisinde ekyo okuba nti nno basobodde okuba nga batwalaganya bulungi nnyo ekisinde, ng'ate oluvannyuma kifunye omukulembeze omupya oba Secretary General agambye kigenda kuba kitambulira ku musindo gw'ekika ekyabagwe ekibadde kitabangawo.
Speaker of Parliament, Kabanda, Chairman Toyota, my brother Fadil, it's me who recruited him. And here. Which one should I use? Freedom is coming. Freedom is coming in PLU. We are going to support you day in, day out. Thank you, General MK. Thank you, General MK, for appointing Fadil. Ever since he was appointed as the PLU General Secretary, he has called me 17 times. We started the PLU, and I can assure you, PLU oye! PLU oye! General MK oye! Mwenna muyimire mukubire Ssabalwanyi engabo. tukola ki bye tukola. Nsaba Katonda leero ye birthday ya First Lady. Nsaba Katonda awangaze First Lady. Nsaba Katonda tugeeyo Yoweri emyaka 5 agire nga kyatumetalinga baramu ntuli banayimusa. This man is standing next to me. General MK, ye doctor, eyazalisa PLU. This man, ye nurse, eyali mu ddwaliro nga PLU ekola ki? Ebashumba. God bless you guys.
Alinga tutegeeza nti osanga abaddeko abadde oba former secretary general ow'ekisinde ekyo alinga ababadde takola bulungi. So tulinza okuba nno tulaba ate onazze okuba nti nno atwala ekisinde kinene mu maaso tulabe movement engeri zigenda otambulamu. Frank Gashumba avuddeyo n'asiima General MK okulaga okwagala eri eggwanga omukwano ey'eggwanga n'asiima General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni okuvannyuma lw'okubakkiriza okuba nno batambuza byonna bye batambuza. Naye ebyo byonna biraga nti nno mulimu abamu nga bamaze okuba nti nno banoonya awali obukulembeze obupya, ng'era tubadde ne bami ba palamenti bangi nnyo ababadde ku mukolo olunaku olwaleero, ng'abamu ku bo tubadde ne honorable minister abasinga gwemumanyi nga mukyala wa Eddie Kenzo, honorable Fiona Nyamutoolo, ate ng'omukyala oyo ava Women MP mu side z'eri Nebbi. So tubadde ne bami ba palamenti bangi nnyo, ba ministers, tulabyeko minister wa ICT information and information abaddeyo, tubadde ne ba palamenti aba honorable Sanje Tana oyo wa Tololo municipality nga memba parliament side eyo. So tubadde n'abantu bangi nnyo ku mukolo guno ogw'olunaku olwaleero. So nti biki bye tusuubira okuba nti nno bigenda kutambuza mugine kuba batugamba mugine emyaka 5 ejja General Museveni okuba nga akulembera eggwanga wamu n'ekisinde kya PLU. Batugambye nno tusuubire birungi byereere. So ekibuzo kisigadde eri gwe Munnayuganda, ddala oba bakubyemu ttooki olaba nga bajjayo ddala obukulembeze osanga bwe Munnayuganda bwateekeddwa okweyagaliramu mu 2026 2031 bajjayo ekifaananyi ekyokuba nno bakwata obukulembeze oluvannyuma lwa 2036 oluvannyuma lwa 2031. So ebyo byonna ebibuuzo bisigadde ebiri eri ffe ffenna. Terwiga Luvini olwa SML News okuba nti nno mbadde mbaweereza omukolo guno olunaku olwaleero.